aha Karma Studios abusia there is an online protest ekoso awofo na afi Ghana education system ai
creative art textbook any o a encyclopedia
na obi bisa say ade na awofo de kafa Ghana education system almost textbooks omotomo omo fra na busia do so dodo ai one subject buku say kuchu
book no medin kan de bottle akoto fie o na we dia akani aba wo masaye de ayi amame.
Another subject to say your full story no ha so subscribe to this platform no follow for all the news are also on second way on the social media platform. Hi Karma Studios, your friend Sticky the superstar. Now, me for more and seminar abuja very simple. Ye mo frani enuanom ne omo a chese omo ko GES any primary no omo awofo no say there be omo dwalai because we are yidi awadi last semester. So this is first time a fresh academic year just say omo admit a student now awofo ni bi akoto to textbooks abusunya they are complaining say do so because we one student baako na ya pale ni book si wo as e could be library obi so de as could be bookshop
na we mo school we no dem sika putuo na mo je da aye da me textbook am of akotro ma son mo ni me answer
now awofo no say there be ho hia textbooks omo de ban also mo summarize no na stories e wo mo no omo timi ma de ne ye omotimi summarize no ma 10 asa de be yankra no bitimi nya ho no mo sue nyina because e do so sana akra no nkra na ebo no wentimi kinkan wi pudo hu de wo buku no. Now we have the videos here, so let me take you through the first video. This is the first video of one man or send a master akoto books e da bre ene chese ne ba books no sumo no busuya as a library books. Now let's watch that video.
I'm for my face here yeah classes classes books we plan no papa mposo on ton we are wanting them no go to school there na ya bisa o akora ne den kwa no ko sia hwe akora classes show books abontin there of papa to me masa
ba ma me fa we kan fa we na kan we ade we
onyan to school there
we ni nge
amana yesi aka school do okoto abontin there kwa classes ade hey.
So that was the first video that I spotted online, and this guy was completely zebusuno. It is too much for one student to learn, and remember this is primary level, and I mean and let's watch the whole video. See about actually join comment section as
Abusia good morning. Share textbook asem na ye keke kan sagro ya obi enfi too much o too much hey me brother share book we I mean fan actually creative art GES 1 creative art book any o creative art textbook any o a encyclopedia book no medin kan de bottle akoto fie o na we dia akani aba wo masaye de ayi amame esumi amede ye de mede ko wo ma di bi wo school mu hono ma en chese je class 2 ni akola ni creative art chese medro hey asem na ye kana agro sa na nya agro private school foi proprietors mu ye o na mo ba ma fe ma me foi ye be ya na geta me see textbooks no GES what chese textbooks bro 10 adentia edi enko a yes writers no so mo tra mo summarize ne kakra mai ne nkola na esunya mo summarize book no kakra na nya keto kakra creative art inquiry de hwe se de tie
we ye me mane baako exercise book na sa book we say o you soon the last term data or the you book near 24 February 2025 and a writing book she say akwala ni tro mu baako pe enu anu no akwala ni tro mu baako pe enu anu no but yes still omo be a school this time no wasan akwakoto exercise books for enti me pacho modwen awofo no ho de asema na me ka na obi gimachinye me pacho wo sa book we say eye basic 5 for book ana we say so eye basic 5 for a book Sa book we so no mu use no omo formal school no omo old school na me change ye no e na omo new school ni nie na hwe new school ni omo book ni mu chese book no there are a lot of ways say yankobetimi aye work no e de agum but they didn't allow them to work inside the book eno na make kan wasam say ebi mutimi ye ne sa ade na ebi mu nso ntimi nya ne sa national formal school ni de na make kan hwe most of the exercise most of the exercise no mo yegu book nim enti ni nua wodi na chi enti mi me yusu sa book no adan mesremo awofo ye bro ade we ye mani abra ye ka ho asam ye ka ho asam yi chese haye ankasa enti ne ye ka ho asam no mesew so wo ye parent na so obetimi the camera esi wanim aye video akasa fasade we say ho aye na so wontimi emfa camera nsi wanim enye nso so mesew obi dia waye no bomodian na
she classes across classes books we plan no papa mposo on ton we abonten dia na okoto school dia na ya bisa wo akora ne den kwa no kosua hwe akora classes hwe books abonten dia o papa to me masa
ba ma me fa we na kan we ade we
onya to school dia
we ni nge
amana yesi aka school dia okoto abonten dia kwa classes ade hey
Bukina, what's the water? My phone watch room no. One or the bagana. Facebook now what's my phone no. Walk out on the watch room every year be an order. Button to Facebook de manembano. Kwasia ben or the bagana. One more education officer sina muguano. One no go school or Facebook. One way education pay funa one what the damn calculum the bear now. Abufu de bia won koto Facebook na won trum na won send no wana no say obey oko school a won wo koduru we wan no ko school pa o se there ni Facebook a what also ade wo school no o trum no osaye no first no I work as for ye bosu ade a na cardboard officer we ko boy cardboard we Facebook na aba watch out to obi anenim yesu awia watch wadiji wo da ka hye ho ekwa cast 5 a wo Facebook wo esu a watch aja ka hye ho afam no ofie chin leba no oba cast with the same Facebook na obebosua onu pono mark lo okwo form for in the otro wa ha beka we wie be varsity mark lo okwo form for anu no ye na busua krache olotro wa ha ebi we wie varsity potum for ni ntro otum for ni suade ni na no mu efa ho esua de to aye mpinfo na mu we ma ba sha embla bone embla tan ko sembla bia that to am awofo no ndi say a single parent na say won ba ye be 3 4 na say wuku na ewu ejaw ana wo yire ewu ejaw na wan ko tena ehwe mofoma na wo egbu school we no dem sika putuo na momo je da aye da me Facebook em of akotro ma son mu ni mi answer Munim yansa pa nkwase be no shada member no to ade ai won ko to Facebook afibia no won trum na won say no dem wasam na anwoche na woda boto Ghana fo yando sa no ai dem wasam na anwoche ne no dem wasam na anwoche ne no mu penfu na moda wona musisa ma yen penfu no wona pa no to Facebook no trum say ne da wona ne ma me to Facebook ma no trum say ne da what the kwa sakale column Jimmy Sama mofoni we school pa won di po won utro ewie GES na san kwa aka ye aka ye dwuma filling station and aka ka po bi ni mobile money bi anye dwuma ho ha edwuma pan ba na ewie SS etum eye wa Ghana edwuma be pan na ewie SS etum eye wa Ghana je kwa Samson no mwose mpo wo mpo da wole makwa ni mpo no won fa economy form mo won fa mbawo na mama me no anada papa na tume abobo won kakankra wo bu school na na wogya won na hwina no wole gi won na hwina no da ya abade ya mwosam no won teachers no wo ko school no wo textbook bia wo to mu da uma mi wo bi na wo papa wo bia na wo nwa bi po wo bi po na orugbo mpa what da bi wo to no school wo chinchin be boton wo school wo awe fi there enemy black akana ba ye wo twa be cha be na chere anyone na wo ban na wo retan nani dia mbo asam so no dia nkwasa sam no ma bo badam ehu mbo asam akwa ko wi na wo de cash aban wa ma wi aside wa ma wi aside de teachers na mo wona wo ye de wonje school fees no ewi no nkwasa sam kwa na mudi sika keten na moji na mudi dise no dia mbo asam no ma bo badam da na mo obi afa ne mbo asam fa mba yendo afi o mo obi afa ne mbo asam fa mba yendo afi kura kwasa sam akwa and it's what you day fee and why the beer what there so kwasa sam akwa school or why print pressure school or one print book wa sam kwa ona mo sika pen adinti no na wa sha wode school logo bi da akobo book bi achi na wa e bibi pasa kwasa sam kwa we what abani ye wode aban ye wonde ejifo.
Yes, so I mean these are the videos popping up on the social media. Of only be complaining said there be textbooks, you know, and the books are mutama at the primary and the GES level and also. So Ghana Education Service should look into this issue and then they should make it clear to the parents. Say textbooks should be how writers, you know, they should summarize the story because in a cultural story now because say the farmer went to farm and then when I mean he or she was reading or doing it. He felt that he was sick, he went to the hospital, came back, summarized the whole story for the students. Say, yeah, textbook in English, you can learn the English, or finish the whole story book. Now, if it was not for different subjects, but when you make it big, it puts fear and limitation into the student because you said those who want to me. So that is what the parents are saying online. Say, wow, I can't want some. Make a video and post it on your platform, or you can even share it to those who have the numbers so that they can post. So that we have very headquarters now they will look into it because I'm supposed to say books no do. And also I want to me enter phone see what you know. Make sure to repost videos about say they are complaining about exercise books and textbooks. This stuff, you know. Make sure to share and then make sure say share the number of people are almost share so that we have very headquarters. Now they will look into the matter. Say them open or no matter in some because I've already see they are suffering. The issue is going out of hand because when you look at the textbooks and some of the exercise books and the notebooks that parents buy for their kids or their wards, I don't say it is too much and the government must look into it. Say a reduction put on a BBR, they should look into it. Say also I come out to use and this is the concern of parents guiding their wards are more GHS and primary level. The textbooks are more fun. They suggest that there are too many, so government is so the government should look into this matter and then make amendment if there are changes that the government can do. Then a favor our phone. So I come out to this and I go by the name Sticky the Superstar. If this is your first time and you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to this platform. Pull us on all the social media handles so that you get updates on any issue that goes around on the media. We are finally out.